Here is our list of the top 5 best smart motorcycle helmets you can get right now. The Shoei Opticson is a high-quality smart helmet that marks Shoei's entry into smart technology. It features an advanced augmented reality HUD that projects vital riding data directly into the rider's view, remaining clear even in bright sunlight thanks to optical waveguide tech. The helmet offers voice control, Bluetooth connectivity, and real-time navigation. Designed for both safety and comfort, it includes a premium ventilation system, moisture-wicking interior, and an emergency quick-release feature. Combining Shoei's trusted safety standards and build quality with futuristic tech, the Opticson is a top-tier choice for riders seeking innovation without compromising protection or comfort. The Sena Momentum Pro is a smart motorcycle helmet that enhances rider communication and experience. It features a built-in action camera capable of recording in 1440p at 30 frames per second, capturing rides in high detail. The helmet includes advanced noise control to reduce wind and road noise, supporting clear communication via a Bluetooth intercom system that connects up to 8 riders within 1.6 kilometers. Voice-activated controls allow hands-free calls, music, and navigation. With a long-lasting battery and fast charging capability, the Momentum Pro is ideal for extended rides, combining safety, convenience, and cutting-edge technology for a premium riding experience. The ILM953 is an affordable smart helmet offering essential features for budget-conscious riders. It includes built-in Bluetooth 3 for seamless communication within a 1,000-foot range, supporting rider-to-rider or rider-to-passenger connections. An advanced noise suppression system ensures clear audio, while the battery provides up to 8 hours of talk time. The helmet's lightweight aerodynamic design enhances comfort, and its anti-fog anti-scratch visor improves visibility. Dual visors allow for day and night riding, and voice prompts enable hands-free calls and GPS navigation. Approved for safety, the ILM953 is a solid choice for riders seeking value and functionality. The Forcite MK1S is a cutting-edge smart helmet that combines advanced technology with rider-focused design. It features an integrated headset display that shows navigation prompts without diverting attention from the road, and a built-in HD camera to record rides. The noise-canceling audio system allows for clear calls and music playback, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity enable real-time smartphone syncing. Made with a lightweight carbon fiber shell, the MK1S ensures both comfort and durability. Additionally, it includes an integrated LED alert system that provides visual traffic updates. For tech-savvy riders, the MK1S offers a premium feature-rich helmet experience. The Livall MC1 Pro is a smart helmet designed to enhance riding safety and convenience. It features an integrated SOS alert system that automatically sends your location to emergency contacts in the event of an accident. Built-in Bluetooth speakers support hands-free calls, music, and GPS navigation, while smart rear LED lights boost visibility on the road. Windproof and noise-reducing technology ensures clear audio, and one-touch voice control allows seamless switching between functions without needing to use your hands. With a lightweight, comfortable design and effective ventilation system, the MC1 Pro delivers a well-rounded mix of safety, smart tech, and comfort.